Hey guys, Rubik's Cuber 88 here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the U cases for 2x2 for CLL. Okay guys, so for the U cases is our next set for the 2x2 for CLL. Here's what it kind of looks like on a 3x3. It's like F, so it looks like this, like a sideways T. You just do F, sexy, F prime, and that solves it. So those are what the cases are going to look like. So for all of the cases, we are going to be holding our 2x2 like this the whole time. Okay, so with the one yellow bar on the left hand side pointing out and one on top here on the right. So this is how we're going to be holding our cube for all of these cases. So here is case number 1 of 6 for the U cases for 2x2 CLL. So for the first case, I recognize it by these two colors here being the same colors, and then this one in the front and this one in the back are opposite. So if these two are the same colors and these two are the opposite colors, then you do this algorithm. It's just F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, and that should solve your 2x2. Okay, so for this next case, I recognize it by these two colors here being opposite and these two colors being the same. So if these two are opposite colors and these two are the same colors, then you do this algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, L, F prime, L prime, F2, U prime, R, U, R prime. And that should solve your cube. So I recognize this case by these two being the same colors, these two in the front here being opposite, and these two in the back here being opposite. So if these two are the same, these two are opposite, and these two are opposite, then you do this algorithm. U prime, F, R, U, R prime, U2, F prime, R, U prime, R prime, F. And that should solve your 2x2. Okay guys, so for the fourth U case, I cannot figure out how to get to it, like to do the L to get to this case, so I'm just going to show it to you guys here. So here it is, here's what it looks like, okay, and then that is the algorithm, the top one, that's the easiest one. So if you just want to pause and practice that right there, I cannot find out an L to get to this case on the 2x2, so I just have to show it to you on the iPad. So that is the case, and that is the algorithm right there. Okay, so for the next case, I recognize this by, it's kind of weird, but like these two here being opposite colors, and then these two here being the same. So if these two are opposite colors right here, and these two colors right here, this one and this one are the same, then you do this algorithm. U, R, U prime, R2, F, R, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. And that should solve your 2x2. Okay, for the final U case, I recognize it by these two being the opposite colors. So these two right here being opposite, this blue and this green being opposite, and this orange and this red being opposite. So these two, so this one and this one, so these two are opposite, and these two are opposite. Then you do this case to solve it. U, R prime, U, R prime, F, R, F prime, R, U2, R prime, U, R. And that should solve your 2x2. Hopefully, this video has helped you guys solve the U cases for CLL. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Social media links and other important info will be in the description box below. Please click on the provided videos on the screen to check out some of my other videos as well. If you like those videos, subscribe for more cubing videos. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.